Hi, my name is Zico and I'm a technical specialist at Alpha Temp Technology. In this video I'll be taking you through what's included in the EnviroMon starter kits. We currently have 3 starter kits. We have a 3-channel temperature kit, a 3-channel current monitoring kit, and a temperature and humidity kit. Now what's common with each of these kits is each of them has an EL005 data logger, which is central to every EnviroMon system, and it's the interface between your PC and your measurements. You also get included a USB to serial converter, a power supply, and a 5-meter converter cable which connects your data logger to the converter in your kit. Now for more information on how the EnviroMon system works, please see the link below on the Getting Started with EnviroMon guide. Now let's start off with the 3-channel temperature kit. This uses the EL001 triple channel converter, which can take input from door switch sensors and temperature sensors. In this particular case, we'll obviously have a temperature kit which includes 3 temperature sensors, and it uses the ELO15 thermistor, which has a temperature range of -30 to 70 degrees Celsius and an accuracy of ±0.3 degrees Celsius. The next kit we have is the current monitoring kit, which uses the ELO40 current converter, and it can take 3 inputs from current clamps, and it uses 4mm banana connectors, and it comes with 3 0 to 400 amp current clamps, and you can see that there's a switch in there which can be 10 millivolts per amp or 1 millivolt per amp. Please be sure to make sure it's on 1 millivolt per amps to get the right readings, and it's a very useful system for monitoring 3-phase current monitoring. And the last kit that we have is the temperature and humidity kit, which uses the ELO26 temperature humidity converter, which takes 1 input from a temperature humidity sensor, which is the ELO30 temperature humidity sensor, and this has a temperature range of -20 to 70 degrees Celsius and an accuracy of ±0.3 degrees Celsius, and it has a humidity range of 0 to 95% relative humidity and an accuracy of ±3% RH. Now it's worth noting at this point that once you buy the kit you can expand the system. So for example, you wanted to get another converter to monitor current. When you've got the temperature kit, you don't need to buy another kit. All you need to do is buy the individual converter, and you can find all converters available on our website, and you can actually have up to 15 converters daisy chained to 1 data logger. Basically that's the whole system, and for more information please check our website, and thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.